Alright, I'm doing an unboxing video for PolkAudio, however you say it, soundbar 3000. Bought an optical cable, new, which has in a minute. Got this at Best Buy. Been looking at it for a couple of weeks. Finally picked one up. Soundbar, very sleek. I'm digging it. You know, manuals, you know, I need that shit. Accessories, let's check it out. You know, really got a puny optical cable here. Really puny. That's why we upgraded to this one. A monster cable to a puny cable. Throw that shit away. We got your remote. Audio cables. Headphone jack. Power supply for the soundbar. Power cable for the sub. I'm about to pull out here in a minute. And I haven't figured what this is, but it's important apparently. To the sub. I know you can't see it, but hold on 1 minute. And this is the PolkAudio sub. You know, you got all your cables, all where you're plugging your cables. So out of it all, you get a sub and a soundbar. This is all you need, right there. And I will make another tutorial video of it hooked up in the sound. So, thank you. Oh. Shit. And this is the shit won't open up. This is I threw it away. See, just look at the difference. See, it look very, very thin, very thick. Which one would you prefer? Garbage? Excellent. Garbage? Excellent. Toss that up to the side.